This is our third video. In the previous video, we looked at where to buy from, the phases, and the momentum to consider before trading. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how you can do top-down analysis on synthetic indices. You can also apply this approach on anything that you want to trade. So the first thing, you have to open your chart and go to the daily time frame and look at the current movement. This is the current movement. So we're going to consider what we are seeing here. Also, it will help us in case it starts going up, if price starts going up, okay? So what do we have here? We do have a market that is trending downwards. So we have this support, which became resistance. Then we have this support here, which also became resistance. Then also we do have this support, which was broken and retested. We do have this support that went and retested and was broken. Then also we do have this level here. That was the low that market made. So this is what we see when the market is moving down in this movement. So after marking those levels, what do you realize? You realize that the market is making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So what do we want? We want a lower high. So the market currently is pushing to go and do a lower high. So what shall we be looking for? We shall be looking for a buy to this level here. Now a buy to this level here, we have to be looking for where to take the trade from, or the structure to give us this buy to this level. Or if the market can continue even further, we shall utilize this very level here, like how we spoke in the previous video. So daily we have gotten our levels. Now we got the next time frame, which is the H4. Now, what did we say H4 we use it for? We use H4 to get our structure, one. Then also we use H4 to get change of trend. So you can clearly see that the market broke here, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So we just add in levels that we did not have when we're marking daily. So for example, we have this level that was not being shown in the daily time frame. So you add it there and you clearly see that we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So the market is currently accumulating here. And if you want to take this buy, you will want to see the market breaking above this structure. Remember, we have said we start daily, then we go to H4 to get the structure we're going to trade. So this currently, we do have the market accumulating just below this resistance, which was previous support. Now it has become resistance. Why resistance? Whenever the market reaches here, sellers come into the market. Whenever the market reaches here, sellers come into the market. Now again, the price has reached here, sellers are trying to come into the market. Remember, we have said this is a lower high, as we saw in daily. So whenever the market creates a lower high, wants the price going back to retest it before either continuing down the direction or going upwards. So we have the structure that we want to trade. Either we shall go down from here because this is a previous low, which is now resistance, or we shall go up here. So this level is crucial. We wait for the market to break it. Okay. Now we continue. We go to our entry time frame. Now remember, we have identified the direction. We have seen that in the daily time frame, price is making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, meaning we're in a downtrend. So since we're in a downtrend, we want to see price retesting the lows. So this low was not retested. We want to see price retesting it if this level here is broken above. Okay, if it fails and we go back down, how are we going to also handle that? So again, when you come to H1, our entry time frame, we have spoken about this. This is the third video. Make sure you watch the first video and the second video. So we shall identify where did the market start going up from. Here the market broke this level, came back and retested it. Okay, then when the market retested this level here, which one gave us this retest? We did have this level giving us that retest. Okay, so again you can see price respecting this support as double bottom. So it's failing to come lower. So that's why we're expecting it to go and retest. But if price comes again and breaks below this areas here, and on the weekly test, we shall be looking for a sell downwards. Okay, but currently we want the market to first go and retest the previous lower low as we have seen in daily time frame. So if you are wondering how we do top-down analysis, this is how we do it. I have used the daily time frame to see where the market is going. I've used H4 to identify the structure, which we identified was this one here that we want to trade, or want the market to break, or it is going to hold price to push it down. Okay, then we have come to our H1 time frame, which is the entry. We have seen where we want to take the trade from, supported by our H4. So H4 tells us if we break above here, this would be our area of taking the trade. If we break below here, this would be our area of taking the trade. Okay, so within here, do not trade.